Alright, the Gay-Lussac's law talks about pressure and temperature. So the temperature and pressure, these are the two terms in a Gay-Lussac's formula. So the law says that as the temperature increases, the pressure of a substance or area increases. If you think about it, if you were to burn a can, similar to the Charles law, if you were to burn a can, the higher the temperature, the more pressure that can would have. All the particles inside that can would have more pressure. Alright, so moving on to the formula. The formula says P1 over T1 is equal to P2 over T2. So the pressure of the first, this is the first substance or area, divided by the temperature of the first, is equal to the pressure of the second over the temperature of the second. So when you would solve for this, you would cross multiply, and then you would do like a one-step or two-step equation to solve for your missing variable. Alright, now I'm going to move on and give you guys an example. Alright, here I have the formula right here. P1 over T1 is equal to P2 over T2. I'm going to substitute everything that we know in this question right here. This question right here, we're solving for T2. So everything except for T2 I'll substitute. So P1 is 685.66. I won't write the units because we will be merging numbers very soon. So, and our T1 is 254.68. Our P2 is 551.26. And our T2 we do not know. So let's keep it like that. So now what you're going to do is cross multiply, and you're going to multiply 685.66 by T2. So you're just going to have a T2 beside it. And then for 254.68 multiplied by 551.26, you would use a calculator for that. So let me do 254.68 multiplied by 551.26. So this will give you 140,394. 140,394 point, I forgot what it was, 0.89. Alright, 0.89. So now what you would do is a simple one-step equation, I believe. So let me divide both sides by what is attached to the variable, which is 685.66. 685.66. In order for this equation to be true, you would have to divide both sides by that. So on the left hand side, these two cancel out, as if you're multiplying by the number and dividing by the same number, and cancels out. So now you have T2 alone, which is the main goal. And now you would have to divide this. You would have to do our number, what we have over here, 140,394.89 divided by 685.66, which would give you 204.76. 204.76. Don't forget to use the given unit. So right here, temperature is measured in Kelvin usually. So Kelvin represented by a big K. Something I didn't tell you in the beginning of the video, my bad, was that pressure is usually measured in kilopascals, which is represented as a K, lowercase k, and a large P, lowercase a. And the temperature is usually, quote me on that, usually measured in Kelvin. It could be represented in different units, as you know, Fahrenheit, Celsius, but usually in most fields of science, it is measured in Kelvin. Alright, thank you guys for watching.